In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Appointed Bishop of Broken Bay, greetings and apostolic blessings.
Myself will be the shepherd of my sheep.
Love each other as much as brothers should, and have a profound respect for each other.
Jesus said, I am the good shepherd. The good shepherd is the one who lays down his life for his sheep.
My dear people, the first question to ask today is whether the remarkable testimonies of these saints is something you and I should imitate in our church of Broken Bay. Side by side, as sisters and brothers, let us encourage, challenge, and support each other as we respond to our vocation to be Christ in the world.
Ke tau moi aki e ke tau tol kotoa i he tai o sisi o Broken Bay.
Được chữa lành và cảm nghiệm lòng Chúa thương xót, manalangin tayo sa Panginoon.
For this is my body, which will be given up for you.
We respond to your invitation. We remember you. See his body, his blood.
A final word of thanks to Father David Ranson, who is sitting just over here. Father David, I am deeply grateful for all that you have done for this church of Broken Bay. My sisters and brothers, as we continue our journey of faith together, please pray for me that I might be a good shepherd after the heart of Christ. Thank you.